Hey guys, this is a NUTROTONIC Himalayan SHILAJIT. So this is a small like supplement which you can take, with the water or milk or any way you want. So this is basically a resin with the sun dried. So it comes in a really nice pack and it's helpful for your things. So there is a small spoon for the measurement thing that comes with it that you can use. So this is a small thing here. So let me just take out this packing and you can see it's totally packed. So this is a very thick and viscous resin. You can see the quality here. It's a very concentrated one and you can see with the little spoon. So you can take it with any drink you want and have the benefit of